My son, you said your name is Samson and you want to marry our daughter Flora.
Yes, please.
And if I may ask, what about your father? Because he's supposed to be here with you. And what do you do for a living?
Sir, unfortunately, my father, couldn't come because he's busy, and I had to come myself. I run the company where she works. We actually work together. We've been seeing ourselves for a while, so I, took up the challenge to come and do the needful. That's why I'm here.
Wait. If I can understand you clearly, you said both of you work in the same company?
Oh yes, I run the company where she works.
And now you decided to get married?
Yes, please.
Okay. Flora, you had him. What do you have to say about him?
Uncle, he's actually the one that I want to spend the rest of my life with.
You actually love him. He's the one you want to be with. Let me ask you, what about that young man you brought in here when your father was alive? And you told us that same young man is the one you want to get married to. What about him?
Uncle, that one did not work out again. It didn't work out again. It's a long story. I'll tell you about it later. But for now, I really love Samson.
It didn't work out. You heard Flora. You heard what she said. What do you have to say?
Since my husband, your brother, died, every decision in this family has been taken by you. And it stands. After all, you are the man in this family and the eldest. So please, do what you want to do.
Young man, sorry I am going too far. Just that I don't like making a mistake to avoid had I know. I will not say anything in this matter until she bring that young man by name Gozie. I want to hear from him before I know what to say.
I don't understand now. What is going on? Uncle, I told you. My relationship with Gozie is not working. It's not working anymore. Yeah, you want to push me to marrying him? Even when I'm not happy? I just said this is the person I want to spend the rest of my life with. What is here that is too hard for you to understand? Take the bride price. If you don't accept the bride price, I will go and live with him. I will live with him as husband and wife. We'll live together. What is it now? Mama, put mouth in this thing. Mama, say something now.
Why are you talking to your uncle and I like that?
I'm sorry if I'm raising
my voice. Are you mad?
Mama, sorry if I'm raising my voice, but you people are really getting me angry. It's as if my happiness doesn't matter to you guys at all.
You are going to live together as husband and wife. Well, my dear. Oh, you said it's the one you want to marry. No problem. But bear in mind that I am not ready to collect the bride price on your head.
This is not nice. Are you going to stay in that marriage with me? No, you that is forcing me to marry Gozie. Will you both be in that marriage with me? If anything comes out of it, I'm still going to be the one that will carry it. Will you be in that marriage with me?
Laura, shut up. Why are you talking to I and your uncle like that? Is anything wrong with you? Are you mad?
This baby, please, let's leave here. What is it?
Why are you talking to
I just
us
said
like
I like him. I want to marry him. And you people are rejecting it. Why? Why are you rejecting it? Baby, let's go, please. I don't like this at all. What is all this? I just told you I don't want to be with Gozie, and you're telling me to bring in Gozie. What is it? This is the person I want to spend the rest of my life with. What is there that is so hard for you people to take my bride price? You're telling me to bring... Baby, please, let's leave here. Let's leave here. What do you mean what has gotten over me? What do you mean? What is there that is so hard?
Why are you talking
Baby,
to I and your
please,
uncle like
let's
this?
go.
Why?
Young man, sorry I am sounding this way. Like I said, I like to do things in the right way. I will not do anything or collect bride price on her head without seeing that man because and hear from him. That is final.
I've listened to all your complaints and I can only give you advice that this is what happened in a family where a child was well raised. It's nothing outside what could happen from a well-trained child. Then I ask, are you ready to face any challenge that would come as a result of you being in this marriage? Because it will always come.
I'm sorry, to answer your question, I think I'm ready to face any challenge that comes as long as it leads to getting married to Flora.
Flora.
Same with me, sir. I am already facing some challenges now, and I am not ready to give up until Samson and I becomes husband and wife.
I want to give you a little story of what I passed through trying to marry this woman, Sister Dia. It is just the same thing that I went through, during my time. In fact, at some point, my in-laws to be were like, is this really a man or something? Because they were frustrated out of my resilience at a point they had to consent. For 3 years, I was on looking for a way just to get my wife's bride price paid. And that is what could happen to anybody. It could be a test to know if you can actually stand any test or any challenge to protect your wife.
And Chief, I understand what you said, but what confuses me is her uncle has refused to accept the bride price.
I've just told you, anything can happen as a process of this. I was in 3 years struggling to get my wife's bride price paid, until they discover that there is nothing they will do or say that will make me back out. When they saw the genuine love, they had no option than to ask me to come pay the bride price. It's a test. It comes in every angles in a marriage. It's a journey that you must learn how to follow.
Are you sure this would work?
Definitely.
I mean, before a woman should have a say in a man's life, the man must have paid her bride price.
I believe it would work. I just need to put more pressure on your uncle and speak to him politely.
How about I see my husband can stay with you?
Oh, she's right. Of course, you're my son. I can stand for you.
Okay.
Not to worry. We'll try our best. Sir, one more thing. I'd like to go to the village, my village actually, to see my parents with Flora. I'd like to introduce her to them. And also spend some time. I'm looking at going towards the weekend. Yeah.
Good idea. Of course, you have to bear the office work in mind. We need to do some cleaning up of backlogs in the office. And of course, you have to fix a management meeting so we can close up that deal. Our prospects are looking for us to make first foot forward, and then we'll close the deal.
Sorry, no problems.
Thank you so much.
All right, aren't you going to serve them something?
It's okay. Rita!
No, that's all right. I think we're fine.
No, you have to.
Rita!
My sweat can never be in vain.
Something bothers me.
What is it?
I have been meaning to ask you this question. And please don't judge me, alright? But My experience at your village was very embarrassing. My question is, your parents, how were they able to sponsor your education abroad if they are that poor? I mean, I was at your village and you literally came from a poor background. Wretched. I mean, I'm sorry to say that, but so I'm quite inquisitive. Like, tell me, how were they able to sponsor your education abroad because from what I saw, they can't afford to take care of you.
I know. Well, they never did.
So who did?
Our king.
Your king?
Yes.
So what's the relationship between your king and your family? Why would he sponsor you abroad?
So the king used to be a good friend to my father when he was alive.
Oh.
Then after the death of my father, he called to ask us how he could be of help to us. So I told him that I would love to travel out to do my master's. And he agreed. And so he sponsored me.
Well, he must be a good man to have done all of that for you.
Indeed, he is. He's a good man. He actually sponsored my father's funeral. Paid for everything. Everything.
He did? Wow. I mean, your father was lucky to have a friend like that.
Yeah, sure. Absolutely.
Is he still in touch with your family? I mean, does he help out since the demise of your father?
Yes. Why not? Of course.
Do you think he can be of help to us, you and I mean, your uncle?
No, babe, please. Don't even go there. I don't think he can do anything. Trust me. So he called me some days after I got back to the country. He begged me as a father. He said he would really love to see me marry someone from our community. You know. So yeah, that's it. I feel he would do little or nothing about it.
All right.
Yeah. Just eat, we'll figure it out, okay? Sure will.
Bozia, I am sitting with you in my compound for the second time because I consider you to be a young man with brighter future. Last time I offered you 20 million naira to start up a business of your own to better your life, and you said you want to think about it. I want to know what you arrive at, because as it stands now, there is obvious marriage going on between Flora and Samson.
Sir, to be honest with you, my love for Flora is not for sale. Yes, if she has decided to dump me for the Samson guy, after all these years and what we've shared together, simply because I don't have money, then I will take it as my fate.
You've said it all. You do not have money. Now tell me, without money, how do you cope? How do you intend to, finance your affair with Flora? You are talking about love. Love is a beautiful thing, but love without money is absolutely nonsense. Do you have money to afford the pearl on Flora's neck? Do you even have money to feed 3 square meals? The answer is no. and you understand the background where Flora is coming from, they have nothing way down there. How do you intend to feed yourself and Flora, and then of course way down in Flora's compound and her home way down there? How do you intend to give financial support when they need it?
Sir, all you're saying is the truth. But I'm sorry I can't take the money. Look, sir, I'd rather remain poor than sell my love for Flora.
Young man, will you wake up from this dream of yours and face reality?
Sir, all I'm saying is I'm not going to remain like this forever. I am a man, I know that things will change. But if Flora wants to leave me for the rich Samson, then I'll just let them be.
I've asked you to come out of your daydream and face reality. Now I am giving you another offer. I want to give you an appointment in my office, and then with a huge salary above my staff strength.
Look, sir, I understand everything you're trying to do for me. But I can't work in the same company where my fiancé, who has refused to marry me, is working, and with the same man that she dumped me for. So how do you want me to feel seeing them together? I would die of heart attack.
It's obvious that talking to you is just a waste of time. You can now leave.
I'm sorry, sir. I don't mean to offend you, but it's just that I can't help it. Please. Thank you, sir.
My sweat can never be in vain.
So, Papa, her name is Flora. She's from Amanze community. There's a lot of good things to say about her, but I'll start with saying she works in the same company with me, and we have been very close for a while. So I decided to bring her to, my parents, to introduce her to both of you and tell you that it is time for me to be a man. So this is the woman I want to get married to.
You are welcome, my son.
Thank you, Papa.
You are welcome. You have done well.
Thank you, Papa.
What you did is the right thing.
Right.
My daughter, you are welcome to my house.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, eh? You heard what Samson said. I hope you are in agreement with him that both of you are getting married.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is good. Let me ask her, what about your family? Your parents? What are they doing? Can you tell me more about them?
So my dad is late. He was a palm white tapper before he died. And my mom is a businesswoman. She sells fish in the market. We're just a small family trying to cope.
It's all right.
Yeah.
Now that your father is late, I hope you have some uncles around that we can meet when we come for your head.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's good.
Please, I have something to say. Nne, you said your dad is late. Eh? And your mother sells fish in your village market. Ice fish in your village market.
Yes, ma'am.
It's going to be hard though. Very, very hard. It wasn't my dream that my son will get married from a wretched home to a wretched girl like you.
Menu, it won't work. Yamburuzena, that is, if he's taking care of me, he will be taking care of your mother too. Do you want to kill him?
Mama.
Please, let me finish. Do you want to kill him? I want to know. Chekwa Kangwago, as he's trying, that is, as he's trying to get married to you, you should count yourself lucky. Worship him. Respect him. Pamper him. When I mean pamper him, you should lick his fingers.
Mama, that's enough.
Asikoname enough. Enough, Guinea. From this wretched girl, you should lick his feet. As those people in the Bible lick the feet of Jesus Christ.
Mama, that's
Please,
enough. That's enough.
Do you hear what I said?
Yes,
Mama.
Do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am.
Mama, why are you speaking to her like that? She's not your slave. You don't have any right to speak to her like that. Come on. I'm not Jesus. Don't compare me to Jesus. What do you mean?
Machi, stop this, your madness. Why are you embarrassing this innocent girl? Is it her fault that her family is poor? Are you God? Don't you know that one's destiny can change at any time? Let me ask you. Was your parents rich when they were alive?
I don't just know why you're attacking me. I don't know why you people are attacking me.
Papa.
Is it a crime now for someone to say his or her opinion?
Mama, Mama, enough. Please. That's enough.
Yeah.
Thank you. Something, it's okay, Uncle. Thank you so much. Mama, point of correction. We are not poor. I am not poor. I work for my money and I get paid. The company pays me well and I can comfortably take care of my mom. I am not coming into your family to become a liability. No. No. I work. I can take care of myself. I can foot my bills.
Mama, you heard her, right? She makes her own money. She works in my company. I get paid. She gets paid very well. So she can take care of herself. She's not getting married to me for my money or for what I own. She has her own thing going on for her. So you need to accord her the same respect. Please.
But according to you, you said you're the general manager of that company.
Yes, I am.
Hey, that means you are far richer than her. Is it not?
Mama, it doesn't work like that. Okay?
What is wrong with you? You heard her say that her company pays her very well and that she can take care of her mother in how she wants it. Why are you bothered? Besides, what is wrong if Samson spends money on his mother-in-law? Is she not the mother of his wife? What is wrong with you? Please, I don't want to hear a word again from you. Let me talk with my son. In fact, get inside the house. Leave me alone.
I am going inside, no problem. I'm going inside. This is what you brought home. This poor wretched thing. As a wife. Rubbish.
My daughter, don't mind her. Please, don't mind her at all. You know, it's a woman. That's how you people talks. Don't mind her. My son, how are you preparing for the visit to Flora's village? How are we going to do about that? My son.
Yes, Papa.
This man in question, I mean this Flora's uncle, who said he will not collect any bride price from you. What is Flora saying about it? I've never seen a place where a woman will become somebody's wife without her bride price being paid.
Papa, the truth is there's a boy in the picture who's making everything difficult. And that boy is her boyfriend. I met him. I offered him as much as 10 million naira. And he refused to accept the money. He said he must get married to her, that I'm only wasting my time. I don't know what else to do. It's just unfortunate.
To that extent, you offered him 10 million naira. And he said no just because of a woman. That's terrible.
Yes. Flora also spoke to him and told him that he should look for someone else. That she's with me now. And he still refused. I don't know what else to do.
So, Flora also said that to him?
Yes, Flora spoke to him. Papa, that's by the way. I feel like that's totally inconsequential right now. The most important thing is we need to speak to Flora's uncle. I need you to speak to him. Because you're almost of the same age with him. He would definitely listen to you if you do.
What are you saying? I have to do that. If that alone will please you, right, it's what I'm going to do. There's no problem.
Please, Papa, you need to come to my rescue.
It's all right. It's all right, my son. Don't worry.
Thank you.
It's okay.
My sweat can never be in vain.
Chebokwe, I don't know if your son here told you what I told him the first day he came here asking for my late brother's daughter's hand in marriage.
Yes, my son told me something. That is the reason I came to hear from you directly. To know what he told me, whether it is truth or not.
It's okay. Let me not waste your time. I will go straight to the point. The first day your son came here asking for my late brother's daughter's hand in marriage, I told him that marriage will not work. Because when my late brother was alive, our daughter, Flora, came to this house with one boy like that by name Gozie. Then you know that Gozie is the one she's going to get married to. The Gozie came with a drink and my brother accepted the drink and promised him that he will marry his daughter. After a few days, my brother died. Only for Flora to come back here with this your son, Samson, telling me that he is the one she wants to marry. See, let me tell you something. I have to be frank with you. I will not collect any bride price from you people until that Gozie comes here and tell me that he is no longer interested in the marriage. I will then know what to do.
I've heard you. But I want to ask you something. Now that my son Samson and your late brother's daughter insisted that they are going to marry no matter what happens, what are we going to do? Biko,
please let me just come in here. I greet all of you. I am the CEO of the company where they work. I must tell you sincerely that after my careful observation about these two people, for some time now, I discovered that there is nothing anyone can say or do to separate them. They truly love each other. If you ask me, I will advise that we will let this slide. Let us snooze on this. We are not going to lose nothing.
Chief Patrick. Point of correction. I am not stopping my late brother's daughter to live together with Samson as husband and wife. All I'm saying is that I am not ready to collect any bride price. Can happen in Kega to them, not in Kega Badum. Biko.
Please, is there any other person in this your kindred that we can meet, maybe help us smoothing this thing so that it will work out?
There are so many of them, but they cannot do anything without me. It is not possible.
Let's re-emphasize on this. Just for clarification, Are you saying that they have the passport to become husband and wife, more or less, without being given the opportunity to pay the bride price?
Chief Patrick, I am not ready to collect any bride price from you people. Like I said, they can go and live as husband and wife. But if anything happens tomorrow, nobody should blame me. I know why I'm saying this.
Nai, I don't understand this at all. Why did the uncle refuse to collect the bride price? Why?
I don't know. There is nothing, Chief, and I did not say for our uncle to collect the bride price. He even said that Samson and Flora can go ahead and live together as husband and wife.
How?
I don't know.
How can the two live together as husband and wife? Why they did not collect her bride price? I've not seen where it's done before. How? No. Now, what are you going to do?
I'm not thinking about anything now. I'm not thinking about anything. I think this question should go to Samson and Flora. For now, I'm just watching.
You are just watching, Nai. You have to think of something to say and let's know what to do. Because this is not good at all. It is not good. Nai, I have not seen where it is done. That a woman will go and live with a man that she's not married to. I have not seen it happen before. So you need to know what to do. You need to. Please.
Like I said, I am watching. Maybe it is going to happen for the first time.
I don't accept this one. You are watching. Watching how? We have to do something. Please, we have to do something. Something is not getting younger.
Chifo tota saihu. Mba anyị sị na Chifo ụbọchị onwe di. Ọbasi lele. Anyị na-ekele gị. Aja ala ọsọ kere. Aja ala ụmụ gị. Anyị na-ekele gị. Ụmụ mpempe dị iche iche. Nwangele ọsọ kere. Ọhịa agwụ ụmụ akpa. Rọtọ na mmiri. Imo mmiri. Ya ṅụọ mmiri. Nwangele. Ọnụ mmanya. Mmanya na-enye unu. Marakwa na anyị kpọchitara nwakatịrị yesterday. Ọ ya amụ nwoke. Ọ ya amụ nwaanyị. Ha je enwe. Nwa nwoke ya awa ọgaranya. Ana m ekele unu. Ama m na unu anụ ihe nne. Ndị nna anyị ṅụrụ na mmanya. Ala ṅụrụ mmanya. Ọbasi lele anyị ekele ego. Ise.
Hey! Chineke, ele udu nwari heke Samson podala menga. What kind of a girl is it that Samson brought for me as a wife? Woo! Look at my compound. Very dirty. Eh? Which normal girl will be sleeping by this time of the morning? Woo! No, now, Machi cannot take this. I cannot take this. Flora! Flora, where is this good for nothing girl? Flora! What is good about this your money? Flora, I ask you, what is good about this your money? Take a look at my compound. Take a look at the whole place, how dirty they are. Take a look at it.
Mama, I swept this compound.
Re-sweep it. It is not clean enough. Re-sweep it, Flora. Re-sweep it. Look at you.
Mama, this is something you would have just said calmly.
Will you shut up your mouth there? I am talking and you are talking. It means your mother did not treat you well. Your mother did not raise you well. Your poor mother did not raise you well. I am talking and you are talking. Are you okay?
Mama, please. You can insult me for all I care, but do not bring in my mother into this. You don't need to bring in my mother. You don't always have to remind me that I'm poor.
If I bring your mother, what will you do? If I bring your mother, what will you do? Why didn't she teach you well? You should know by this time you're supposed to be out and be sweeping the compound.
I have swept this compound.
You re-sweep it. It's not clean enough for me. Resweep this compound, Flora. And let me remind you, after this, go to the kitchen, prepare breakfast. Afterwards, we are going to the farm. I have a lot of work there at the farm to do.
Machi, what did I hear you say?
That we are going to the farm.
With who?
With Flora.
Hey, this girl that Samson just got married to yesterday. This morning you want to take her to the farm?
Yes.
Have you asked her whether she knows how to farm?
I should ask a poor girl whether she knows how to farm. What does she do in her family? What do they do if not farming? You say I should ask her. Is she not a human being? Are you not a human being? Don't you know how to farm?
I know how to farm. I will go with you. And Papa, please don't worry, okay? I can do all this. This is what I've been doing right from time. Let me get dressed. Sorry.
Come back. I can also. Who gave you my wrapper? Who gave you my wrapper to tie?
Your son gave it to me.
My son gave you my wrapper and you collect it and tie. As what? As my daughter or my daughter-in-law? Give me my wrapper. Give me.
Machi, is she not your daughter-in-law?
Which daughter-in-law?
Hey, Areme.
This one, daughter-in-law. Please, Nai, hold yourself, oh. Hold yourself. Whenever I'm talking with this girl, leave me alone, oh. Let me handle this girl. Let me handle her. She should be lucky that my son got married to her. Please, oh. I know I can't kick you.
Umuwanyi, unu nyere anyị. Ihe na-egbu nwoke.
Ụwa bụrụ anyị, manụ bụji eji n'ụwa, emesi ọrụ bụrụ anyị chọba ya, ọkwa ngwara ga-agwa, ọkwa nyọrọ ga-eju. Manụ bụji eji n'ụwa, emesi ọrụ bụrụ anyị chọba ya, ọkwa ngwara ga-agwa, ọkwa nyọrọ ga-eju.
What belongs to another person because you have access to it. It can destroy a person. It can rule your life. Greediness a joker. Evil mind a joker. Selfishness.
Flora, what do you think you are doing?
Mama,
you are sitting down. You want to rest more. Tell me what you have done that you are resting now. Why are you this lazy, Flora?
I've been rigging and weeding since we got here.
Since we got here? Then where is it? Just here? Please get up and walk. Get up and walk, Flora.
Mama, let me just rest more.
I say get up, let's finish. See, are you seeing that tree? We are going to walk to that tree. You have not even started the resting already. Why are you lazy now? Why? Just one thing you did, you want to rest. We will finish this farm. You see this thing you are looking at? We will finish it. To that tree you are seeing there, we will get to that place. Bend down. See, watch me. Give me this thing. Watch me. Let me show you. Flora, are you not a woman? Are you not a woman? Why are you doing as if you cannot walk? Look at how to walk. Remove all these grasses, Flora. Look at how to walk. Come and take this home. You must walk. Take. Bend down and walk. Bend down. All you know is how to eat my son's name. Bend down. Bend down your waist. Bend down and walk, Flora. Bend down your waist and walk.
Mama, stop now. Am I not walking? Walk!
If I talk, you answer me. Walk. You will not be lazy in my house.
Mama, I'm trying to understand you. How dare you disrespect me like that? No, tell me, what is the meaning of what you did? Did I get married to her for you to turn her into a farmer?
So you mean I should go to the farm alone while your so-called wife is inside?
Mama, why did you not tell me first?
Tell you.
Are you not supposed to tell me that you want to take her to the farm? And why should you take her to the farm?
I should take permission from you before I go to the farm with my daughter-in-law.
Mama, listen to me. That is very, very unacceptable. I'm not going to take that from you. And henceforth, don't ever try that again, please.
Samson!
I didn't marry her for you to turn her into a farmer. Papa, you need to address this. You need to address this.
My son, I'm tired of talking to your mother. I've been talking to her all the time. After everything, she does whatever she wants to do. She doesn't listen to me anymore. Everything I told her in the past, she never followed it. Please, I'm very happy now that you are talking to her like a man.
Papa, my wife is lying in there with body pains all over.
I know it.
Because she's a lazy girl. She is a lazy girl. Why would she be lying there because of just how many hours farm? Why? I ask you, is she not from a poor family? Is she not from a poor family? Is that not what they were doing in their home?
Is this what you're saying?
Yes. And I will take her to the farm anytime I want.
Okay, then.
Yes.
I promise you, with everything I believe in, the next time you do that, I'm going to withdraw every privilege you enjoy from me. Demi.
Samson, go ahead and withdraw it. Withdraw it. I don't care. And for you, look at you, call yourself a man, a father-in-law, and you are here, these things are happening. So you are supposed to should go to the farm alone. Why that girl sits in the house? It will never happen. It will never happen. I will not accept it. I will always take her to the farm. I will always take her to the farm. You will see it. You plan, take me, Ashtabala, for what?
Loneliness is dangerous.
The reason I brought both of you here is to let you understand that this is the beginning of another journey in your life. Now that you are together as husband and wife, regardless that Flora's bride price has not been paid, is for you to understand that you must work as a team for the success of the objective of this office. You must teach your wife the secret in this business that she is studying under you. You, Flora, you must pay attention to all his instructions. He is the one who knows how to cross the T's and dot the I's in this office. Promise me that you will teach her all she needs to know about this office.
I promise you, I'll do that, sir. I'll do as you have said.
Good. One more thing. You must be careful. Alright? If you snooze, you will lose. And the most people that it will affect are both of you. I have other business elsewhere. You must pay attention to details as he is giving you instruction, okay?
Yes, sir.
That's all for now.
Thank you very much.
So much, sir.
Good.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You just walked out without your wife. I thought this young man understood everything.
It's fine, sir. Thank you, sir.
Are you sure it's gonna work? Hey, no. Falling in love with blind. Falling in love with blind. It's blind.
Hey, honey. You good? Honey. What is it? Huh? You don't look okay. You're worried. What is it?
Of course I'm worried. Did you not hear what the MD said?
I heard. What is it about?
In his words, he said, and I reiterate, he wants us to collectively move the company forward. In other words, sacrifice for the growth of the company. failure to do so and the company collapses, he has nothing to lose. Doesn't that sound creepy to you? You see, that's exactly why I didn't want to tell anyone the secret I have. I feel like he's trying to be smart. One day, he might tell us to leave.
In my opinion, it is for our own benefit. He's a good man, if you ask me.
Really? You think he's a good man?
Mm-hmm.
You think you know him better than me? Come on, Flora. You only just started working in that company not too long ago. Or do you think you know him better than I do? No, you don't. I know him better than you do. Or would you say because he bought you a car, or in other words, he gave you an official car, that's why you think he's a good person? I actually made him do that. He said that to your hearing, didn't he?
Yes, he did. So now what do you want us to do? Quit the job?
Flora, this is a good time to strike. This is an opportunity for us to establish ourselves, make it big, become richer. Yeah. Listen, you are the accountant, and I'm the general manager. Whatever information we put out, that's final. Let's make some money from this entire situation. Listen, whatever money the company makes, we split into two. We put half of the money in the company's account and keep the other half for ourselves. Yeah. Listen, this is our opportunity to establish our own company. Don't say no.
Wow. Just wow. I agree. Honestly, I accept. I actually wanted to bring up this, but I was quite skeptical because I didn't know how you're going to take it. I am game.
You are?
Yes.
I'm glad to hear that.
So, before 2 years, we should be able to save up enough money to open up our own company.
Wow, 2 years is a long time. 6 months is fine.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh God. I am game, babe.
Yeah.
I am. Let's do it.
You're smart.
You're smarter.
Thank you.
Listen, Flora. I have something to tell you, and I want you to pay attention. You know, you're just like a daughter to me. That is why I want to give you this advice. My husband told me everything that happened in your village when Samson came to pay your bride price. Now, listen very well. For your uncle to refuse to take your bride price means that there is something fishy somewhere. Yes, that is what it meant. Because of that, I would not want you to sleep with Samson to avoid unwanted pregnancy. You know, you are not even supposed to stay with him in the same house. You know I'm against all this. I'm not in support of this from the onstart. But since you accepted, I have no other option. But my advice is this. Please, my daughter, Do not allow him to touch you. Biko. In that aspect, I suggest you go and meet your uncle. Ask him why he insisted on what your late father said. You need to find out about it. Let him tell you everything about it. Why he insisted on not taking the money. Or better still, you can go and meet Gozie. Beg Gozie to allow you marry the man of your choice. If he agrees, then both of you can go and see your uncle. Then Gozie will tell your uncle that it's his decision. Your uncle will then go ahead to avoid had I known, because I don't want any problem to come to you. Remember what I told you before, that you are just like a daughter to me. Please. It's okay. Take care of yourself.
My sweat can never be in vain. My sweat can never be in vain. My sweat can never be in vain. Nothing is hidden under the sun.
Oh, stop. What are you doing?
What do you mean, what am I doing? Aren't you my wife? Can't I touch my wife?
I'm not disputing that, but Samson, we need to do the right thing.
And what is the right thing?
Hey, my bride price.
But I've done everything humanly possible to do that. Your uncle wouldn't let me.
I know, but you have to push further. Push more. Try harder.
Really?
Just do the right thing. If you're expecting me to open up for you, no. It's not going to happen. Hey, my bride price. And then you have me.
My sweat can never be in vain.
Babe, since you've decided to marry him, I suggest you just move on and focus on your family. Whenever your people are ready to accept the bride price, they will call your husband. And I'm sure by then you must have gotten up to 2 or 3 kids. Yeah, my humble suggestion.
2 or 3 kids. Are you serious? I mean, why should I do a thing like that? If there is no bride price, there is no family. Certainly no kids. Yes. How many times will I tell you that we forbid that? Having kids outside wedlock is an abomination.
You're confusing me here. What if you get pregnant? He's your husband. You two are going to live together in the same house. Obviously, get intimate.
We don't get intimate. Yeah, we don't have sex. So there is no way kids will come. Yeah. And if at all, I'm not even planning to abort. I don't see myself aborting a child. God forbid. I can't even think of a thing like that. It is not in my nature. But don't worry. I have everything sorted out. I can handle myself.
You're not serious, are you?
Of course I am. Were you thinking we've been going at it every day? Oh, come on, please. Drink up. I need to head back to the office. I have a whole lot on my desk.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, honey. I am done with the account. Okay. Here we go. You don't look bright. What is it? What is the problem?
Maybe you're the problem. Yeah. Just maybe. You're my problem.
Me? I don't understand how. What did I do? I get it. Because I didn't allow you to touch me. Could that be why you're angry?
Flora, give me a break. Come on. I am not a happy man. We've been married for months. But I'm not happy. Shouldn't that bother you? We have been married for months. I can't even touch my wife. I can't even have a taste of my wife. Do you expect me to be happy?
You know what? We're going to talk about this when we get home. This is a working environment. We should stay focused. Like I said, I am done with the accounts. Look at it. So, what next?
Listen, print these. Print these documents and give it to the MD. And the money should go to my account. Our account. And most importantly, I'm not a happy man. You have to make me happy. Promise me you're going to make me happy.
Like I said, we're going to have a long conversation when we get home. Okay? I want you to be happy. Hey!
How are you?
Good to see you.
Wow.
All right.
Wow.
Guy. Let me sit down first. Wait, Samson. You were telling me something on the phone. I didn't get it. Let me understand. Are you trying to tell me that since you got married to your wife, till now, you've not touched her?
I can't lie to you, bro. That's a very sensitive issue to lie about.
What happened?
I've been married, but I'm single. It's quite unfortunate. She wouldn't let me touch her.
What is the cause?
Her uncle is one of the problems.
How?
He refused to take her bride price. He refused to accept it. And my wife said if her bride price is not paid, that I can't come close to her sexually. So it's quite unfortunate.
Samson, if you ask me, I will advise you to take it by force. Even the Bible says the violence, take it by force. Take it by force!
I can't do that, I'm sorry. That's rape. And I do not want to be called a rapist. I'm sorry. I have to do things the right way.
So, how do you intend to do it?
So I want to go to her village to see her people. I don't mind spending all the money I have. I want to give them money so that they can solve this entire situation. I can't lose her. But the most important part of this is I want you to come with me. I want you to go to their village with me.
Well, it's okay. I think you have a point there.
I have a point because I don't want to lose her. I have to see her people. They have to talk to her. They have to talk to her uncle. Let's find a solution.
It's okay.
My sweat can never be in vain. My sweat can never.
Nai, please. Have pity on my friend. And collect this bride price, uncle. Uncle, see, since they got married, Flora has never even allowed him to have access, uncle, to her body. If she continues like this, uncle, how can they have children? Uncle, see, the whole thing is in your hand. Please.
See, Flora knows what she's doing because of the implications. Yeah, because of the implications. She knows what she's doing.
What are you saying? What kind of implication is that?
See, let me tell you something. No matter how many children Flora will give to Samson, without her bride price being paid, all of them will die.
But uncle, even at that, you can still help us. At least by taking this bride price now, uncle. Please.
There's nothing I can do. Now listen to me. Flora knows everything. That is why she doesn't want to take the risk. Yeah, she knows everything.
Sir.
What is this?
That's some money.
It's money, uncle.
Some money?
Yes, sir.
That's 2 million.
Uncle, 2 million.
And who owes the money?
For you.
Uncle,
For me?
Yes, sir.
Wait, let me ask you. This 2 million naira you are giving me now, is it for Flora's bride price or you just want to dash me money?
It's a gift from me to you. Just keep it.
Just
yes.
Just for cola and just for you to be happy.
For cola? It's not Flora's bride price. Are you sure?
Oh, just for cola.
No,
Uncle, it's for cola now. Just to.
Okay. Okay, since you say so, thank you very much. Let me say, in fact, you people have to give me like 2 weeks.
Okay.
To think about it.
Okay.
Then I will get back to you. Don't worry, I will do something.
2 weeks.
At least with this money, your problem will be solved one way or the other.
No problem. Thank you.
Thank you, Uncle.
It's
Uncle,
okay.
thank you so much. I know you can do something, sir. Thank you so much, Uncle.
Don't worry, with this money, something must be done.
I know.
I'm sure Flora is fine.
Yes, she's fine.
Yes. See, Samson, I want you to listen to me. I want you to forget everything about bride price and concentrate on your marriage. Yet, Flora's uncle did not accept the bride price. He knows the reason. So, he did that because you young boys of these days are terrible. Now tell me, what if you got her pregnant and dumped her? How do you then want me to believe you? That is why you have a lot of job to do. Yet, make sure that Flora loves you, trusts you, and believes in you. Then every other thing will normalize. Just listen to me and do what I ask you to do. Everything will be fine. It's okay. No problem. Take care.
Have you seen what I have been telling you? Because I remember that before now I have been warning you about this girl Flora. But you will not listen. I told you that she's going to use you and dump you. Now see your life. Look at your life.
Frank, you're supposed to be my friend. Why are you making matters worse? Huh? You know I can't help it. I love Flora with everything in me. Frank, I love that girl so much. Yeah, I'm helpless. I don't even know what to do. As I'm talking with you now, I still love her. Tomorrow, I still love her. If she comes back now, I have open hands to accept her back.
Do you know that you are not feeling fine? No, I think something is wrong with you. See, if this thing that you people are doing is called love, see, me and love. If I'm going like this, then I see love coming like this, I will just turn. Because me, I know they craze like you. At all, I know they craze like you. Me, I get sense. I know they craze.
It's okay. You can call it craze or whatever it is. I know you don't understand that someone is in love here. You're a friend for that matter. But you can call it anything. You can even say I'm mad. It's okay. But please, I want to beg you. Eh? If you don't help this your friend here, I go finally call the waka for road. I want to beg you. I want to plead with you. Please escort me to Flora's village. I want to go and see her people.
I no get chance. I no get chance. I no have chance. Hi. No get chance. When?
You just said you don't have chance. It's tomorrow.
Hi. For tell me earlier now. I no get chance. I tell you, I no tell you I won't go see my uncle. You go fit shift and go like next week. I go fit.
You don't understand the urgency of this matter. It's a matter of the heart. I'm telling you that I'm going about there.
It pain me. No, I for like come. A chance no day. I no get chance. I feel for you. How you go do it now?
Gozie, my son, you're welcome once again. If I tell you I did not hear everything you said here, that means I am lying. Not only that I am lying, but I am deceiving myself. Because when this issue of Flora getting married to that young man, in the first place, I kicked against it. Because I remembered when my late brother was alive, you came to this house with a bottle of drink to make your intention known. My brother accepted you and promised you that you would be Flora's husband. Not quite long, my brother died. The next thing Flora did was to bring that young man, telling us that he is the one she wants to get married to. And I reminded her about you. She said she's done with you. I said, what? She said, Uncle, she is done with you. So I looked at it. I said, okay, there's nothing I can do. Even as I speak with you now, I have not collected bride price. Because I said I will never do that. I will not collect bride price from that man. Because I am following my brother's footsteps. So, my dear, like I said, I don't know what else to do. But I advise you to relax your mind. By the grace of God, something better might happen tomorrow.
No. You mean you told Flora all these things and she still went ahead to marry that man?
Let God bear me witness. I told her everything. But she insisted that she must marry the young man. Because maybe the young man is fair, combining his hair, this and that. In fact, he's not even more handsome than you. I don't know what Flora sees in that young man. Eh? Is it because the young man has money? I don't understand.
No. Are you suggesting I just keep quiet and let everything slide?
Gozie, you have to move on with your life. Move on with your life. What I know is that what will be, will be. I am watching. I am watching. What will be, will be. That's your mind.
Wait. So now tell me. Oh, this thing where you talk now, if nobody say you be my guy, I for don't punch you. What did you gain in going to that village? If not hearing how Flora got married to her husband and how her uncle tried to stop her, but she refused. See, this thing, I will tell you, it's nothing but heartbreak that you went there to get received. Taka, heartbreak.
Frank, my problem with you is you're hot-tempered and you're not even short. You're not listening to what I just told you. It's very simple. See, my going to that village is no waste. As a matter of fact, I'm happy I went to their village because the uncle told me that there can still be, something can still happen tomorrow. Yes. As a matter of fact, he didn't accept anything from them traditionally. That means the marriage officially didn't happen. Yes, because for marriage to happen, they will accept something traditionally now. So what it means is that my Flora can still come back to me. It's a win-win. As I was coming back, I was raising my hand. I was thanking God. Yes, it's a win-win for me. My Flora can still come back. No wine on her head. What are you saying? What are you saying?
Wait. Are you listening to yourself? Wait, this thing that you're talking now, is it the entire year? It come off your mouth the entire year. So are you telling me that if eventually this marriage crash, say Flora will still come back to you, and you will still accept her back, even after this man might have spoiled her, give her the good life, show her lifestyle, you will still, she will still come and stay with you and suffer with you afresh. Hey. See. This thing you are doing is, you are dreaming.
Frank.
This you are, I'm telling you, you are dreaming.
Let me tell you, I don't expect you to understand. This is love matter. You don't understand love. Flora that loves me, she doesn't joke with me. It's just because this boy just came and started throwing small money around. I have the girl's heart. And from what the uncle just did, God is just there with me. So my baby will come back to me. You will be there. So let me tell you, the only spoiling is love. And me, I'm a lover boy. You don't know anything.
Wait, you have the key?
I have the key to Flola's heart.
Wait, calm down now. Your pressure is too high. Wait. Hey. When we leave you now, go to that chemist. Collect malaria tablets. 2-1 and some typhoid medicine. And be taking it. Because this thing is malaria. This thing you are calling love is malaria.
Call it whatever you.
It's malaria. I know this thing.
Congratulations.
For what? For this thing that you are doing? Hey.
For going, seeing, and conquering. Not easy.
Samson, how are you? So how is Flora? No, her mother is okay. You want to come? No, I won't be around. I will be traveling. But if you want to come on your own, you are free to do so. I will be traveling to the city to see my son. Yeah, because it's been long I saw my son last. So I want to travel to the city to see him because we have a very important things to discuss. No problem. Like I said, if you want to come on your own, you are free to do so. I am telling you this so that you don't feel bad if you come and you did not see me. Yeah. 2 months or 3 months. It's okay. I'm going to bye-bye. Greet Flora for me. It's okay. Bye-bye.
Nine, you are still here. I thought you said you are going out.
Abigail, if that fool comes back here, looking for me, I mean Samson. Tell him that I traveled to the city to see my son. Huh?
Ma, what if he asks me when you'll be coming back? What will I tell him?
Tell him you don't know. That I will stay like 2 or 3 months.
You shouldn't have collected the money he gave to you. Since you know you are not going to do the job, it will look as if you duped him.
Abigail, on whose side are you? On whose side are you? Did I ask him to give me money? He gave me the money out of his own free will. What is my business there? By the way, is it because of 2 million naira that we will risk the life of our daughter Flora? It is not possible. I cannot do that. What is 2 million naira?
You have to tell your daughter Amarachi. Because if he comes and I'm not there, so that Amara can give him your message.
Pass the information to Amara. It's still the same thing. Pass the information to Amara. It's the same thing. Please. I'm going out. I want to go and see Chechi Nwuba. We have somewhere to go. Very important. Pass the information to Amara. If that idiot comes back here, let she tell the idiot that I traveled to the city to see my son. Simple. No man, where you the nose here?
Oh,
I am going out.
Bye.
Take care of the house. By the way, where is Amara?
I don't know.
Emma?
I've not seen her for like 30 minutes.
Pass the information to her. Simple.
Uncle, good afternoon, sir. Welcome.
Hello, good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Is your father home?
He's not around. He traveled.
He traveled?
Yes.
But he's aware I'm supposed to come today. He didn't tell me he was traveling.
Oh. He had an emergency. My brother told him to come to the city.
Oh, shit. When is he coming back?
I don't know. Let me call my mother. Mama! Mama! Mama!
Amara.
Good morning, ma'am.
Nna, you are here?
Yes, I am. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Great.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
I hope no problem, this one that you're here.
Not at all. I'm here to see your husband and have been told that he traveled. But he didn't tell me he was traveling.
Amarachi, didn't you tell him that your daddy
She did.
went to the city?
She did. And I'm not sure. Did he tell you when he's coming back?
He said he's going to stay long, like 2 months or 3.
Oh. 3 months? That's such a long time.
Yes, sir.
What do I do now? Sorry, ma, do you have any idea if he's willing to accept the bride price? Because I need to, I need to do things fast.
My son, I don't know. You know I'm only a woman. I don't know anything about giving a woman's hand in marriage. If you notice, since you people have been talking about this marriage, I've never put my mouth into it. Because I don't know.
In that case, I'll come back when he returns.
That would be good. Or better you call him to know when he'll be coming back.
Thank you for your time.
You're welcome there.
what you and my father did is wrong. You are teaching me how to lie. I don't like it.
Shut up your mouth. Who is lying?
My father is inside. You said that he traveled. He will be staying 2 to 3 months.
Nonsense.
That one is nonsense. I will tell him myself. I wish I have phone now. I'll call him and lie to him.
Man, for how long will you continue hiding? For how long will you continue running for this boy, Samson? Eh? Here.
As long as that fool stop coming to this house, because I am not ready to collect that bride price. Get that into your head. I am not ready.
Personally, I'm getting tired of the whole thing. You should just get it right. Personally, I'm getting tired of the whole thing. I'm just tired.
Bianwan, get inside. Stop disturbing me. You are shouting at me.
Anugum. I know me bang boy apple. I am.
Hey, wait. You know there is money now. Listen to me, hey. Abigail, listen. You know there is money now. Make the list of things you want to buy. Arise. Momo. My talking my hand also. Because I can dodge this time around. There is more than 2 million naira or whatever. Actually, you have with Bramus. Go, beg.
$2 million what? You mean you bribed my uncle with 2 million naira? For what? No, I don't understand. Make it clear to me. For what? Why? Why would you do such a thing?
Babe, you need to calm down.
No, it's too much. Why would you give him 2 million naira? How much is even my bride price that we're talking about? How much is the bride price?
Babe, listen to me. Even if I was asked to pay 1,000 as bride price, tradition is worth more. Tradition is actually worth more than 10 million. Because tradition is tradition.
Stop telling me this. Is that why you have to bribe my uncle with 2 million naira?
That's it. That's some.
No. Because we have a wedding to plan. With this 2 million naira, it will surely go a long way in our wedding preparation.
Come on now.
No, but that is it.
But
Let's call it spade a spade. No, even at that, you shouldn't have given him 2 million. 2 million naira is too big. It is too much.
Okay, I apologize.
For a bribe, it is too much. And now, where is he? Where is he? You said he left for the city and he will be there for 3 months. Really?
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you or get you upset. Okay, but like I said, 2 million is that's your uncle. I mean, we didn't lose the money. He's your uncle, right?
I see what he's trying to do here. I see the game he's trying to play here. This time, I am going to disobey him. And I will be so unapologetic about it.
Disobey him? What do you mean? Does it mean you're going to let me...
Just...
My sweat can never be in vain. My sweat can never be in vain. My sweat can never be in vain. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Worry first, it's only got the man. Imaginary, Obi Mama Siri.
Honey, how is Flora coping with the company?
Well, Flora is doing exceedingly well. You know, she is very intelligent. Of course, you know, she's a fast learner. You can imagine I gave her an contract to execute, and To my surprise, she did it perfectly well.
Oh, wow. That's good to know. I noticed that in her that she's a very smart girl. And I know that her contribution will help the company to progress in a big way.
I hope so.
What you give me?
But sick.
Not the same.
You can never change.
Are you sure it's gonna work? Hey, yo. No, no, no. Falling in love with blind. Falling in love with blind.
Hey, babe.
Are you busy?
Yeah. Typing the report from Jonas Incorporation. I need to submit it to the MD before 1 o'clock. I don't even have time.
Alright, that's impressive. But don't forget Nico's Enterprise. You're supposed to give them a report. So someone will be coming tomorrow to pick it up. Don't forget.
Yep. I haven't forgotten, but I really need to get done with this first. Okay.
Alright. So, how about the transfer I asked you to make? I haven't gotten a confirmation yet.
Oh yeah, I've done it. It's probably network, but I've done it. You're sure gonna see it.
Okay, so I'll be going out shortly, and make sure you go out and have some lunch, okay?
Sure. And how long will you be gone?
I'll be back before 4 p.m.
Okay, great.
See you later.
See you.
Are you sure it's gonna work? Hey, yo. No, no, no. Falling in love with blind. Falling in love with blind. It's blind.
So babe, I wanted to tell you something important.
Okay, what is it?
I think we need to upgrade our cars. Yeah, I mean, I'm the general manager and you are the accountant. I feel like it is time for us to have or own better cars. What do you think? I'm not saying that the ones we have presently is bad, but I feel like we deserve better.
So what kind of car are you looking at?
I mean, anything more expensive, really, really expensive. We deserve it. What?
So your idea is cool, but if you ask me, I would say we should wait. I mean, babe, we have plans ahead of us. We want to establish our own company and we need so much money for that. Getting expensive cars now would be suspicious, and you don't want the MD suspecting us. Probably gonna start thinking that we embezzled the company funds.
But you're not going to tell him, are you?
Of course I wouldn't. Why should I? I am just saying that we have a plan. We have a bigger plan. We should look into that. Get our own company, and then we can buy any car we want. There are steps to this.
Okay, that's fine. That's alright. You're my wife, I should listen to you, so yeah.
But do you see reasons?
Yeah, I totally understand. Because everyone will go thinking we stole from the company, so I get it. End of story. So can we do it now?
Do what?
Just a little now. Let me just...
Don't even start. What do you mean?
Just a little now. Just... Come on now.
Is there anything like little sex? Good night. And I love you.
Samson. Yes, it's me. How are you doing? Okay, you are fine. I've been waiting to hear the good news from you. It's over 6 months you got married to that girl. What is happening? You don't understand what I mean by what is happening. Are you telling me you are not a man, or that your wife is having a problem? If she's having a problem, or you are not a man, tell me, you can talk to me. I am your mother. Yes, talk to me. At least I should be hearing the good news that she's pregnant. What is holding you people? Really? You don't know? I should ask your wife. Okay, there's no problem. What I will do is to come to that city and meet the two of you and see her one-on-one. What is all this? Oh, you are cutting the call. It's fine. Over 6 months now. No good news, no nothing. And you say I should keep quiet. No, I will go to the city and see things for myself. No, I will go to the city. Yes.
Choice words can never be in vain. Chukwa popona, chimepona, ineyomo, neyogi, inachumo, nama. My sweats can never be in vain. Chukwa popona, chimepona, ineyomo, neyogi, inachumo, nama. My sweats can never be in vain. My sweats can never be in vain. Ineyomo, neyogi, inachumo. My sweats can never be in vain.
Welcome, sir.
My wife back?
No, she's not yet back.
She's not back yet?
Yes, sir.
Hey, what's up, bro? So guess what? I saw my wife with her ex. I was just driving home when I saw them together. I think she was dropping him off or something. Yeah. I believe they're still seeing each other. Alright, cool. I'll just wait for her to get back.
Choice words can never be in vain. Chukwa popona, chimepona, ineyomo, neyogi, inachumo, nama. My sweats can never be in vain. Chukwa popona, chimepona, ineyomo, neyogi, inachumo, nama. My sweats can never be in vain. My sweats can never be in vain. Ineyomo, neyogi, inachumo, nama. My sweats can never be in vain. Chukwa popona. Nothing is hidden under the sun.
You're home.
Hey, stop right there. Where the hell are you coming from? And where did you go with that boy? You have suddenly turned dumb, right? You can no longer speak.
Okay.
You went to have sex with him, right?
Come on, babe.
Yes.
No.
You have totally forgotten that you're married. You're giving him what belongs to me.
No. Stop. Why should I do a thing like that? So, I saw him on my way back from work. He was standing at the bus station. And then I decided to give him a lift as an old friend. Nothing more. We didn't go anywhere. Baby, come on. How would you even think I could do a thing like that? I'm a married woman. It is not vicious. Please. Come off it. Okay? Nothing like that happened.
Are you sure?
I am sure.
Take my word for it.
I don't want that to happen again. I mean, you're married, for crying out loud. Huh?
I know. It's never gonna happen again. I promise.
I forgive you.
I know. Thank you. Okay. I need to go freshen up and come down and we have dinner. Alright, see you.
Sweat can never be in vain. My sweat can never be in vain.
What is going on? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to us? When did we get to this point? What is going on? You're drunk. Come on, you can't keep doing this to yourself. You're hurting yourself. Why? Do you want to make me a widow? Why are you doing this to us? Why are you doing this to me? Please, you need to freshen up and eat, okay? You must be tired.
Get off me.
Baby, you smell of alcohol.
I need to freshen up and eat. Eat what? Eat you? I'm not hungry. Get out.